Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gillian here. This is going to be a great video today. We are talking to a super special guest, Magri Jade. She has been juice cleansing for over 100 days now. She's had a total transformation. Her vibe is super high. She's lost a lot of weight. She's feeling incredible. And she's going to talk to us about that right now. Hey Magri, how are you?
Hi, I'm great, thank you. How are you?
I'm great.
Awesome.
So how many days have you been juice cleansing now?
116 today.
116, that's incredible.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to the end though.
Yeah, so you're going to go to 120, right?
Yeah, 120 and then start the rebuild after that.
So why such a long juice cleanse? Why this long?
I thought 4 months is a great amount of time to sort of transform anything. And I'd watched a couple of long-term juicers on YouTube, and the stuff that they'd got out of them was just incredible. And I thought, okay, I'll go 120 then, and I should be completely clean by then.
Yeah, that's amazing. It's just so long. And how do you feel overall? You feel really good?
Yeah, really good. Like no anxiety anymore, no depression. I feel like I'm sort of coming out of my shell, and I just feel about 15 again. So yeah, it's been really good.
You look absolutely incredible. I mean, I follow you online. For anyone watching, Magri's now on YouTube, I think under Magri Jade, under your name, right?
Yeah, I think it is.
And you radiate. You're so inspiring.
Oh, thank you. I need to do another video. I was going to do the 100-day update, but I didn't get around to it, so I'll just leave it to 120 now.
Yeah. Are you making all your juices yourself? You make them fresh each day?
Yeah, I'm making them myself, and I've just started making them for some friends as well. So I'm like double juicing at night or in the morning.
Wow.
So yeah, lots of juices.
Incredible. That's nice you're making them for friends. And how much weight have you lost? I'm curious. I'm going to show some pictures right now of your before and afters because they're just truly so inspiring. So, how much weight have you lost to this point?
60 pounds now. I'm up to
Wow.
the 6A, and I've gone from like a UK size 20 to a size 12. So it's really good. Half the
Congratulations.
size.
Did you expect to lose this much weight?
No, I've never been a size 12 my whole life, even sort of at school. I was never that small. So yeah, no, I never expected that at all.
Wow. That's incredible. Have you had any negatives on the juice cleanse? Like, is there any negative experiences you've had?
I've had negative experiences with some friends. Like some friends have sort of been negative about the juice cleanse, and a few have sort of fallen away, but it's just made room for great people in their place. So it's kind of a negative, kind of not. And from about 90 days onwards, I have to be near the toilet. That's about the only negative. Oh.
And with the bowels, one thing that shocks me when I do juice cleanses and I go for colonics, if I'm on like day 20 of a juice cleanse, during a colonic, so much waste will still come out. So you've had that experience too on the juice cleanse, right? With getting waste out, even this far.
Yeah, and I had on day 18, I went for a colonic as well and passed a gallstone, or the colonic lady said. So that was really emotional and really sort of made me feel quite sick. But it was a great emotional release afterwards. So that's been fantastic. And I've had like quite a bit of mucoid plaque out from day 44 onwards to about 80, and an odd bit here and there since then. But no, yeah, no more for about 20 days.
Yeah. Wow. You look amazing. Do you miss food at all? Have you had cravings?
I haven't had cravings, because I just wanted this so much. I just was so fed up with feeling how I was feeling, and I just knew it was the food, and something wasn't right with the food. And being a chef from before, and then trying to go vegan, and not really knowing why I was going vegan, and it just all aligned it, and I just was really excited to start it. So I'm kind of nervous to finish it, but also I've got a dehydrator and blender and stuff to get going with the raw vegan lifestyle. So I'm quite excited about that.
That's amazing. And have you had like has it been hard at all? Or it's been pretty easy the whole to do it?
I juiced over Christmas. I think that was quite hard, cooking a big roast dinner for the family and not sort of sitting down at the table to eat with them all. And that was quite hard. And the social events, but I mean, we've been in lockdown, so I haven't had any social events. So it's been quite a good timing in that sense.
That's great. What would you say if someone's out there thinking about doing a juice cleanse? Like any tips or motivations for them?
I would say don't wait for the first of the month or a Monday or something. Just do it, get it started and get it done, because you'll just fall in love with it. And when you're feeling sad, happy, you don't want to juice, just juice through it.
And I'm wondering too, how has your energy been? I know for me, when I juice cleanse, I have so much energy, and I know it's a big misconception. People think you feel you feel tired and you feel crappy, but I mean, that couldn't be furthest from the truth for me. How has your experience been with your energy?
Yeah. I feel like I've got my superwoman cape on. I don't know what it's going to be like when I start eating. I'm quite worried that I might like experience some fatigue then, but I've not experienced any from day one really. I've just been high energy levels and I just feel like a young teenager. It's been great, and been able to cope with the two kids constantly without getting sort of as snappy as I was before. And just being able to cope with situations better because I've got the energy. So yeah, it's been brilliant.
That's amazing. You would do it again?
I don't know if I'd do it again. I think that's one of the reasons why I thought, oh, I'll go for a long time and then I won't have to do it again. I mean, I might do a bit of intermittent fasting, or if I start to sort of lag or maybe feel some cravings coming back in, I might give it another go, but I don't know if I'd do 120 days again.
How much have you been drinking a day? Like, how many juices a day? People always wonder, how much do you drink?
Yeah, 4 to 6 litres, so 1 to 1.5 gallons, I think it is out there. Usually no less than 4, because I feel really crappy the next day. But now I'm coming to the end, I'm getting sort of hungry, so I've upped it to about 6 a day, 6 quarts.
Mm-hmm. I know for me, when I juice cleanse to keep me going, I juice feast, not juice fast, you know. I just drink as much as I want. It makes you feel amazing.
Yeah, you don't want to feel, well, you're kind of limiting yourself from food, so you just don't limit it with the juices.
Yeah, I think it's just the most amazing experience. Have you been taking any supplements during this juice cleanse?
I started the first few days, I had some spirulina and B12 in my juices, but that was because I didn't really know what I was doing. But I just stopped that after the first week, and yeah, I might continue to take them after the juice cleanse, but no, nothing during the juice cleanse.
Mm-hmm. What juicer do you use?
What juicer? I've got an old Matstone juicer. It's a single gear one, and it's from about 2007. And I picked it up second hand. I don't know how it stood the test of time because it's got a beating. I've had to replace a couple of bits on it over the juice cleanse, but it's still going.
Yeah, that's amazing. Well, you look truly incredible. Like I said, I mean, right now on social media, I find you, I think, the most inspiring person I follow. Every time I see your photos come up and your transformations, and you just seem so happy and so full of love and full of life. Did you feel like
Yeah.
this before? Did you feel like this before the juice cleanse?
No, I just a sad alcoholic, really.
Crazy. So you quit some things during this juice cleanse, like alcohol and stuff.
Yeah, I quit cannabis a couple of months ago now. I've been smoking that for 20 years, so that's been a great thing as well. And alcohol, I won't drink that again. But it did get me through a hard bit of motherhood. But yeah.
And you feel better, right? Would you say you feel better on the juices than you did like smoking and drinking?
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. They didn't. That's kind of what I expected to get from them. That kind of energy, that buzz, but the juices just do that for me like tenfold.
Yeah, they truly do. They make you feel just out of this world good. I mean, everyone has to experience a juice cleanse in their life. When I'm juicing, I never feel better. It's just the best thing ever.
Yeah, I know. I'm worried that it's going to be a lot different when I'm eating now, but I can always go back to the juices if I need to.
Yeah, you'll be a bit more down to earth, a bit more grounded. What do you think you'll break your fast with?
I was thinking papaya.
Yeah.
I was going to go watermelon, but papaya's got a lot of enzymes in it, natural enzymes. What's that? Yeah, enzymes.
Yeah. Nice choice. And it digests quickly. And I had some papaya this morning. It's so delicious. That's a good choice.
Yeah, it's not so delicious in the UK though. I don't know if it's my taste buds or not. It tastes a little bit muddy. So maybe not that, maybe some watermelon. I'm not sure yet, but
Yeah.
I'll be filming it, whatever it is.
Oh man, that's so exciting. 4 more days. Well, I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. I mean, you've done a great job. Congratulations. It's a really incredible what you've done here.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you guys cheering me on. Honestly, it's been the best support.
Yeah, no, you're awesome. I'm so happy to talk to you today about this experience.
Thank you.
So everyone, where can they find you on YouTube under Magri Jade? And you're on Facebook too, right? And Instagram.
I think it's Magri Jade, or it might be Magriculture. I
Yeah,
can't remember.
okay.
Yeah.
I'll link it below in the description anyway for everyone to follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's been so amazing catching up with you, hearing about the experience, and hopefully we will chat soon in the future with whatever you're doing. Something exciting.
Yeah. Definitely. Hope so.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, we'll talk soon.
Okay. Bye bye.